Okay, so next we're gonna be adding the LiveU or a DSLR camera. And so for this, I recommend just visiting this guide because there's two settings that we just want to get right here. And so the first thing you need to do is go over to your LiveU Solo dashboard and sign in. Turn on your LiveU, and we're just gonna configure the connection with Streamable by adding a new destination. So what you want to do is scroll down to SRT out caller solo. The name is gonna be Streamable. And the setting you want is this 1080p 5060 no nulls. You get the URL and stream ID from Streamable. So we're adding ingest for LiveU. And so we just click this URL here and paste it into here. And same for the stream ID. Passphrase you can leave blank. And for this, you want to set it to 800 milliseconds. And just click submit. Then what you want to do is set this LRT latency to 5 seconds. This is gonna increase the buffer so it can absorb more network drops. And after this, just click go live and it'll be sent to Streamable. So here we see that it's coming from the LiveU on another source. And yeah, you can use any camera that you want with the LiveU.